Hello everyone, this is Shafin Pramanik, Assistant Professor, Department of Philosophy, Darjeeling Government College. This online faculty development program on empowerment in teaching, learning and evaluation in the COVID-19 pandemic situation, organized by Kuch Bihar College in collaboration with National Service Scheme, Kuch Bihar District IQAC, Kuch Bihar College, and approved by our university, that is Kuch Bihar Panchanbam University. First of all, I want to thank the convener of the program, Dr. Tapon Kumar Das sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Kuch Bihar College, for allowing me to attend this program. Also, I want to thank the WhatsApp group of my previous college, that is Tufanganj Mahavidyalaya, where I found this information brochure. To speak in a very simpler way, that if we keep aside the technical issues and the network issues, the program was very informative and very helpful for me as well as I believe for others. On the very first day, our research person, Professor Ramakanta Mohalik, Dr. Mahesh N. Ziwani, their lectures was very informative and helpful. Our ma'am, Dr. Sunendita Bhaumik, her lecture was and her presentation was also very awesome. Our research person, Mohammad Rafiqul Alam sir's presentation on creating and designing websites and his information about screen recorder, video editing and sound editing. These were all new for me. So I am very happy to get this information he told us and she presented before us. So I want to thank all the research persons for giving us such innovative ideas. And also, I want to thank everyone related in this program. So, thank you for giving us such a nice and informative, of course, I am repeating this again and again, informative online program. Thank you.
I teach political science in Moinamri College. I want to take this opportunity to send out a huge thanks to the College Authority of Kuch Bihar College and especially my sincere thanks to Dr. Tapon Das for his dedication and tireless management skill. Tapon sir, I really appreciate the effort you have put in on this faculty development program for making this event a grand success. I want to express my gratitude to all those experts who taught us various technical issues in a very lucid manner. Their skill in handling one particular issue was especially appreciated, and because of them, I certainly learned a lot about how to serve our students a better platform of teaching. Thank you so much once again.
কোচ বিহার কলেজ আইকিউএসি এবং এনএসএস এর উদ্যোগে 2রা জুন থেকে 8ই জুন 2020 পর্যন্ত যে 7 দিন ব্যাপী ফ্যাকাল্টি ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্রোগ্রাম এর আয়োজন করা হয়েছিল, এতে যে শতাধিক অংশগ্রহণকারী অংশ নিয়েছেন তাদের সকলকে আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন জানাই। আমরা এই উদ্যোগকে স্বাগত জানাই এবং এখানে আমরা যাদের বিভিন্ন বক্তব্য এবং হাতে কলমে কাজের দ্বারা সমৃদ্ধ হয়েছি তাদের সকলকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। এদের মধ্যে প্রধান ডক্টর হরিশচন্দ্র কর্ণাটক, ডক্টর প্রফেসর রামকৃষ্ণ মোহালি, মিস্টার রফিকুল আলম, তারা আমাদের হাতে কলমে যেভাবে শিক্ষা দিয়েছেন এবং ওয়েবসাইটের সঙ্গে বর্তমান এই কোভিড পরিস্থিতিতে শিক্ষাকে কিভাবে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের হাতের দোরগোড়ায় পৌঁছে দেওয়া যায়, ইউটিউব চ্যানেল কিভাবে তৈরি করা যায়, নিজেদের ওয়েবসাইট কিভাবে তৈরি করা যায়, সেই বিষয়ে আমাদের বিশদে হাতে কলমে শিখিয়েছেন। সেই জন্য সকলকে, উদ্যোক্তা এবং আয়োজনকারী বিভিন্ন রিসোর্স পার্সন সকলকে আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাই। এই বলেই আমার কথা শেষ করছি। ধন্যবাদ, নমস্কার।
Namaskar, I am Soma Lohar, Assistant Professor in English, working in Mahatma Gandhi College, Lalpur, Purulia, which is affiliated to Sidhu Kanu Birsa University. I have participated in this online faculty development program organized by Kuch Bihar College from 2nd June to 8th June. I feel very privileged to participate here. Usually, we take our online classes by uploading our notes in our college website or using WhatsApp chat. Sometimes I use Zoom app also. But I didn't know about YouTube classes, how to upload our own YouTube classes. After joining here, I came to know, and I like to thank the authorities, especially Rafiqul Alam sir, for sharing us such knowledge how to create our own YouTube channel and our own live classes, how to take our own live classes. I would also like to thank Topon sir for organizing such a beautiful program. His dynamism, his punctuality, his hard work will always inspire me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Samip Century, Faculty, Department of Sociology, Salesian College, Sonada, and talking about online faculty development program themed as empowerment in online teaching, learning and evaluation, combating COVID-19 pandemic situation, organized by Kuch Bihar College, was very enriching. The 6 days online training provided the participants hands-on in operating various e-learning tools and softwares. It provided understanding the process of e-content designing and different methods to convey it to the learners. This FDP is the first of its kind conducted in North Bengal region during this unprecedented situation of corona pandemic. Personally, I thoroughly gained much from this program, and surely this has empowered me as a teacher to impart e-learning lessons to my students and other learners around the globe.
I am Shipra Bishwas of Kultuli Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College. I am Assistant Professor of the Department of Geography. At first, I want to give my sincere thanks to the convener, Dr. Topon Kumar Das, for taking such bold initiative for such 7 days faculty development program through webinar. This is very much utilizing in such lockdown situation. Through this program, I have learned many practical procedures which will be very helpful for further improvement of our teaching skill. All the research persons of this program delivered their valuable lectures which are very enthusiastic. Among them, Mr. Rafiqul Alam has given very intimate lectures which are very needful for upgrading my professional skill. Not least but lastly, I want to give thanks all the members associated of this program and thank to the principal of Kuch Bihar College who has also given enormous initiative behind this program. Thank you.
I am Dr. Sanjit Kumar Shil Sharma, Assistant Professor of Saotal Bidro Sharda Shatbashiki Mahavidyalay, Gwaldor, Paschim Medinipur. I am the Assistant Professor in the subject of Geography. I am attending this faculty development program. This program is very helpful to me and I am very happy to attend this program. I am thankful to the organizer of Kuch Bihar College and Panchanan Burma University. Specially thanks for Topon Babu and Mohammad Rafiqul Alam of Malda College. Thanks.
নমস্কার, আমি অনিমা রায়, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট প্রফেসর রামমোহন কলেজ, কলকাতা। প্রথমেই ধন্যবাদ জানাই এই ইন্ডাকশন প্রোগ্রামের কনভেনার প্রফেসর তপন কুমার দাস মহাশয়কে এবং ওনার সমস্ত সহযোগীদের। দ্বিতীয়ত বলবো, এই প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশনে এইরকম একটা অনলাইন প্রোগ্রাম আমার এবং আমার ছাত্রছাত্রীদের জন্য সত্যিই খুব হেল্পফুল হয়েছে। স্টে হোম, স্টে সেফ, থ্যাংক ইউ।
নমস্কার, আমি বাসব দাস, ময়নাগুড়ি কলেজে বাংলা বিভাগের সহকারী অধ্যাপক। কোচবিহার কলেজে আয়োজিত ফ্যাকাল্টি ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্রোগ্রামে অনলাইনে ক্লাস করতে পেয়ে আমি খুবই আনন্দিত। আমরা ময়নাগুড়ি কলেজে অনলাইনে স্কাইপের মাধ্যমে ক্লাস নিয়ে থাকি, এছাড়া গুগল ক্লাসরুমের মাধ্যমে আমরা ছাত্রছাত্রীদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট এবং পরীক্ষা এসব নিয়ে থাকি। এই অনুষ্ঠানের মাধ্যমে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারলাম এবং সেগুলোকে আমরা ছাত্রছাত্রীদের পড়াশোনার কাজে যেন ব্যবহার করতে পারি সেই প্রচেষ্টা রাখবো। এই অনুষ্ঠানের জন্য কোচবিহার কলেজের ভূগোল বিভাগের অধ্যাপক তপন কুমার দাস স্যারকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাই।
নমস্কার, আমি ডক্টর সঙ্গীতা রাহা বলছি, তুফানগঞ্জ মহাবিদ্যালয়ের দর্শনের অধ্যাপিকা। প্রথমেই আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই কোচবিহার কলেজের অধ্যক্ষ মহাশয় পঙ্কজ স্যারকে এবং তপন স্যারকে, যিনি এই পুরো প্রোগ্রামটা অর্গানাইজ করেছেন। এই প্রোগ্রামটি ভীষণ ভালো হয়েছে এবং এই প্রোগ্রামটি করতে পেরে আমার ভীষণ ভালো লাগছে। যেখানে যে টেকনিক্যাল বিষয়গুলো জানতাম না সেইগুলো এখান থেকে শিখতে পেরেছি এবং কিছু কিছু ক্লাস ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে, যেমন মহেশ দিবানী স্যারের ক্লাস ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে, রফিকুল আলম স্যারের ক্লাস ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে। অনেক কিছু জানতে পেরেছি, শিখতে পেরেছি এবং ভীষণভাবে এই প্রোগ্রামটি এনজয় করেছি। ধন্যবাদ।
Hello, I am Dr. Biplab Ghosh from Vivekananda College for Women, Odisha, Kolkata. I am Assistant Professor in Physics. I am attending the Faculty Development Program conducted by Coachbihar College. All the sessions of this program are very useful, informative and interactive. I have learned a lot from this program. I have been introduced with so many online teaching learning tools by the resource persons. I am really grateful to the convener of this program, Dr. Topon Kumar Das. His dedication to this program, his sincerity, I really appreciate. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, team FDP, Coachbihar College. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwesha, Assistant Professor of Physics, Govardhan Hindu College. I have registered my name 1 week faculty development program which is organized by Coachbihar College in collaboration with National Service Scheme. First of all, thank to whole team of Coachbihar College for taking this initiative and thank every resource person. The program started on 2nd June 2020. In the last 5 days, I have received a lot of information about online class related software from this online program. I got the idea the following application from this online development program: Classroom, Google Docs, Google Site, Google Forms, Zoom, YouTube video, mind mapping, audio recording, video recording. Every item is very important for students and teachers also. Thanks to all the respected teacher associated with this online program. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. Myself Panchali Roy. I am a guest lecturer in physics from Moinaguri College. Today I want to thank to all the respected teachers who has taught us so many new things, and especially our convener from Coachbihar College, Dr. Topon Kumar Das sir, for arranging such a beautiful and helpful workshop. Although in this pandemic situation due to COVID-19, we have learned so many new things related to the online teaching process. So, again, I want to thank all the teachers and all the participants for supporting this workshop and arranging this. So, thank you so much and stay safe and stay home.
Feedback of the workshop held at Kuch Bihar College from 2nd to 8th June 2020. I am Dr. Nazrul Islam, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Shitulkuchi College, Kuch Bihar. This workshop has been very inspiring and I am really feeling delighted to have been able to be a part of this and try to continue with the wave of the theme of the workshop, empowering online teaching, learning and evaluation for combating COVID-19 pandemic situation. During the time of lockdown when we all are stuck down in the room and the future higher education is likely to be changed, the workshop conducted by the Kuch Bihar College make me delighted. This has been absolutely amazing and enlightening with interesting content and techniques for building capacity among the teachers. The resource person presented the topics really well. I feel the technological constraints which led the organizers, especially Dr. Tapan Kumar Das, a lot of pain and sufferings during the workshop. We are very much thankful to the principal, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Debnath, for allowing such a brilliant workshop to the organizers. At the end of the day, I am really pleased to have done this workshop. I highly recommend the workshop to everyone who is a novice about the new technology for accommodating himself for the new normal in the post-COVID-19 educational arena. Well done, Tapan da. Thank you.